What if I told you that most self-made millionaires in America don't rely on luck, inheritance, or some secret Wall Street trick, but instead follow a set of simple, repeatable money habits that almost anyone can adopt? The difference isn't how much they earn at the start, but how they think, act, and manage every dollar over time. While most people chase quick wins and flashy lifestyles, millionaires quietly build wealth behind the scenes, making decisions today that their future selves will thank them for. And once you understand these habits, you start to see that becoming wealthy is less about hitting the jackpot and more about playing the long game with discipline and intention.
One of the most powerful habits self-made millionaires develop is paying themselves first. Before they spend a single dollar on lifestyle, they automatically set aside money for investing and saving. This often means contributing consistently to retirement accounts like a 401k or IRA, taking full advantage of employer matches, and letting compound interest do the heavy lifting over decades. Instead of waiting to have extra money at the end of the month, they treat investing like a non-negotiable bill. This simple shift in mindset turns income into long-term assets rather than temporary consumption.
Another key habit is controlling lifestyle inflation. As income grows, most people upgrade everything: their car, their home, their daily spending. Millionaires, on the other hand, are intentional. They might increase their lifestyle slightly, but not at the same pace as their income. The gap between what they earn and what they spend becomes their wealth-building engine. This is why many self-made millionaires don't look wealthy on the outside. They avoid unnecessary debt, especially high-interest credit card balances, and focus on building net worth instead of chasing appearances. They also have a strong relationship with credit, understanding how systems like FICO scores work in their favor. Instead of abusing credit, they use it strategically,